donuts. I like Funyuns, make me go nuts. I like supersized meals. Where's my sauce, bitch? I'm a blow up. I like toast with avocados and just a pinch of salt. So what I like to eat, it's all my daddy's fucking fault. I like Netflix and my checks mix, wearing pink pajama pants. I like provolone and...
What is up, all you beautiful people? What's up, you guys? Today we are having McDonald's. I have a McChicken. I have 2 double cheeseburgers. I have a 10-piece nuggets. I got some fries and a DP. Hashtag DP all day. And you guys, my beautiful subscriber, Heather, she sent me a package and it had a gift card and a beautiful card and some B-Love sauce and all that beautiful stuff. So yeah, she paid for this mukbang. So everybody say, thank you, Heather. Thank you, girl. I really appreciate it. And with that being said, let's get right into it because I am hungry. So I got me some double cheeseburgers. I got some nuggets. Ooh. So how's everybody doing? So yesterday, Saturday, I was live. And there wasn't a lot of people in there. People were saying, oh, I didn't get the notification. So I decided to leave the live and I was going to come back in. You guys, the night just went from there out. People were letting off fireworks in the back of our house and it started a fire. And then one of our, well, she wasn't ours. She was my sister-in-law's dog. She ended up getting hit by a car. And it was just, it was just, the vibes were off. Like, so we're going to try again this Saturday to go live. Hopefully everything goes better. Poor Lily. She was such a cute little dog. I felt so bad. She lived an amazing life. She was super old. She was already going blind. She couldn't hear. And so I think that's sort of what led to her venturing out to the road. But everything's better now. So, you guys, I just got the best tarot reading ever. It was so good. My energy feels so uplifted. It gave me a lot of clarity. What the? It was absolutely amazing. It was a 10-card pool, and we did it for an hour. My good friend Amanda, I've known her since I was really young. We went to school together. She's absolutely amazing. She does amazing readings. I mean, she's awesome. So I'm so happy. Like, my energy's good. I feel good. We're going to dip this up in that sweet and sour. I'm happy. She gave me clarity on everything I've been thinking, everything that I've been worried about. I feel so good. Dang, this is good. So yeah, it was really good. It was really nice. I'm very excited for the future. I'm so excited about the series. I've been getting your guys' emails and oh my gosh. I was second guessing myself and my ability to give you guys who have emailed me the peace of mind that you need in giving advice. And with the reading that I got tonight, she took all that away. So I'm going in, you guys, 100% with all of my heart. I'm not going to second guess myself. I know that there's a bunch of beautiful women on this platform who can give you guys advice too. I want it to be a positive, loving community. And with all of the love and support that you guys have been giving, I know that this is something that's going to be good. So I'm so excited. So excited. She made it clear that I need to stop second guessing myself and I need to put my full potential out there. It's my time to shine, you guys. And doing it for you guys makes it 100% worth it. Going forward with this, you really have no idea how much it means to me to hear you guys' stories. And you guys trusting me with your biggest insecurities to put them out there for... I know you guys don't think of me as a complete stranger, but you know me, but you don't know me personally. You only know what I share, and for you guys to trust me with your most delicate insecurities means the world to me. And I swear, I'm going to get to each and every one of them. The outpour of love and support has been absolutely amazing. And for everybody who sticks around, I absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. I'm getting emotional because you guys have no idea how much it means to me. When I started this, I never thought that I would have such a connection with complete strangers who watch me. And you guys are so much more than strangers now, and I'm so happy that I can share my life with you guys and that you guys trust me. It's absolutely amazing. Why? Or smells chicken nuggets, hams. She smelled the nuggets, yo. Where's chicken nuggets? Hold on. So, I love you guys. And thank you again. Now, I know a lot of people are thinking, tarot reading, what? I know. Oh, my fry's stuck. Listen. Whatever helps you sleep at night, whether it be praying, sending your vibes out, setting your intentions, whatever helps you, go with the flow. For me, that just so happens to be, you know, having a card reading, like giving me some insight on what I feel is going on in my life right now. And if you've never experienced that, give it a try. You might realize that you can get some answers to things that you've been like so curious about. There's so much positivity, negativity, everything that you feel in your life can be laid out in cards, and it can help you get through it. You guys, like I said, I was second guessing myself. I was not feeling confident about my future. I was feeling like something was blocking me, like the energy and positivity and all this other stuff. It just wasn't what I was used to. And after my reading, I feel positive. I feel like my energy is glowing. I feel like what I'm doing is not wrong. It's for the better, and it's helping people, and that's what I feel my purpose is. So, it feels good to be reassured and to know that everything's working in the positive. This YouTube thing is not easy, you guys. And you have a lot of doubts and second guesses when you do YouTube. My numbers aren't the same. I'm not growing as fast as I was. Why is YouTube doing this to me? Do I continue doing it? Do I take a step back, do something different? All these doubts and thoughts and worries run through your head regardless of how big you are. If things change, you kind of get a negative outlook on it. That's with anyone. Not even necessarily just for YouTube. But after my reading, it gave me clarity. A peace of mind knowing that what I'm doing is right and I'm going to continue doing it. Regardless, because there's so many of my ride or dies who watch my videos every day, and to me, that's worth it. It's worth it for me. So even if my channel doesn't continue to grow and I don't get the views that I'm used to getting, there's still you guys who come back every time, show me the love, you comment on my videos, you come in my lives, you support me to the fullest, and hey, that's enough for me. Because if I can reach one person and I can touch their heart and I can make them feel better as a person, that's all that matters to me. I win. Because that's the whole purpose of doing what I do. You guys, I just feel amazing. Let's continue this positivity. Let's keep this going. Ooh, talking and eating is so hard. You guys have no idea. But yeah. So, I'm excited for the future. I cannot wait to get this started. Do I have my phone by me? Oh, I have lettuce all over me. I wanted to read you guys something. So a couple days ago, Bubba sent me my horoscope. And I wanted to read a little piece of it for you guys because it's absolutely amazing. listen to this. Why am I so emotional? I'm such a freaking crybaby, I swear. So it says, your modern ruler, Neptune, is active around the 11th, activating your imagination and the connection to something greater than yourself, which inspires you to action. By the 19th, you are tuning into a process of collective transformation, which may feel intense, but also brings powerful opportunities. So I started thinking, I'm like, around the 11th, June 11th is Thursday. That's the day that I filmed the first segment of the series. When I saw that, that's when I knew this is greater than me. This is bigger than me. This is something that has needed to happen for a really long time. And out of nowhere, Bubba was like, hey, this page started following me on Instagram, and Pisces popped up. It's a page that shows the new moons. It shows all this other different stuff that has to do with tarot and astrology and all this other stuff. Stuff that I'm really into. Energies, stones, crystals, all that, you know, good positive vibes. And when he sent that to me, you know, I didn't really think about it. And then, you know, I read it again. And then once I started thinking about it, I went, oh my goodness, this is like totally a sign. And it's amazing, you guys. Listen to your heart. I'm so excited. Oh. And that's just a piece of the reading. There was so much more that gave me so much insight on stuff I need to just really be focusing on right now. And I'm telling you guys, if you guys feel lost, if you guys feel anything, my friend's page, if you guys have a Facebook, it's called Little House of Tarot. Follow her. Book a reading with her. Try it out. If it's something that's just not for you, at least you could say you tried it and it wasn't your vibe. But I can guarantee you, she's amazing. She has amazing energy, and I'm sure you guys would love it. Little House of Tarot on Facebook. I'm sliding. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm excited for the future. There's 2 different McDonald's within a 10-mile radius of me. And the one that I went to, I don't know what it is. It's so good. Their burgers are juicier, cheesier. Their fries are always crispy and fresh. Like, so good. But when I go to the other one, they're always cold. But the burgers are always dry. cheese is all crusty. This one's so good though. Woo! I'm full. So good. Heather girl, thank you for this amazing meal. I appreciate you, girl. I'll see you, my ride or die. I'm happy that I was able to share this piece of me with you guys. You know, I'm not one to talk about religion, politics, anything of that sort, but I felt so uplifted and I felt so inspired by this that I just felt that I would share it with you guys. And yeah, I just felt like motivated. I felt inspired. So if that inspires you guys maybe to get a reading of your own, then like I said, you can get it from the same person I get it from, and she's amazing. Whew. I am done here. I'm very, very excited. And if you're excited too, then like this video, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. All my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for taking a chance on me. On my ride or dies, you guys already know I see you. And yeah, I love you all, and I will see you in my next mukbang. Peace!